LibreOffice Writer has a lot of similarity to Microsoft Office Word, but it is free. And it's free! And so you can use it for creating PDFs that can be used as link magnets for, if you're an internet marketer, for creating a free download. And I'll demonstrate this shortly. And LibreOffice Writer saves its files as ODT files, but it can also open Word documents. Open Word documents! And when I create PDF files, I save both PDF and ODT files, as I can edit the ODT files easily in LibreOffice if I need to change the PDF document later. The LibreOffice Writer has a normal word processing tools, and the bar is displayed above like this one here when you start a new document. Now that's a close-up of the left-hand side there, so you can see it's got the normal word processing tools, file, edit, view, insert, format, etc. all the way along here, and you've got save, the icons for save, new document, etc. And I've created a document in Writer, and I typed in words here and changed them with the font choice here and the size here. And also there's an option to make an open font with borders around it, and I used a background here using the highlight option here, changing the color. I used insert image to put this image in here, and then when you select the image you get a choice of adding a border and changing the color of the border, so I put a red border around it. So this is my example document that I then exported as a PDF file. Now to do that I went to File, Export As, Export as PDF, and when you click on that, this menu comes up here. I don't usually change it, but you can. You can change the resolution of the images and a few other things in it. But normally I find it works fine as it is. So here you can see that it's now a PDF document. It's got the Adobe Acrobat Reader opening it as a PDF document. And there's a little bit of a bonus. You can actually save it as a Microsoft, or convert it as to a Microsoft Word document, which could be useful in certain cases with people who only have Microsoft Word. So, yay! Free tool! Just like Word. It hasn't got all of the things that Word has, but it is a free tool and it does most of what Word does, which is really good.